friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm getting zoop zoop. This is smart power bank, USB backup power for phones, USB charger. It is used for iPod, iPhone, game player, mobile phone, MP3, MP4 and so on. Features: stable for nearly all kind of mobile phones, digital products which have USB cable connector, and you can read more. It's made in China. So warning is written that please charge your power bank at least once in every 3 months if you are not using it. Please keep the bank clean and dry. Do not wash the bank with chemical. Please protect environment. Do not abandon. So these are the warnings. Let's open it. Go. Nice. We have to open it like this. Like this. I'll take out. Oh, see, you can see the lights over here. These are on. First of all, let's talk about the look. Isn't it beautiful? It's so interesting color, white and blue. It's blue. From here you could charge your cell phones, and from here you can charge the power bank. This is to start. Ding. Nice. Good to go. These are the 3 slots they have given, and nothing much. So good to go.